Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this little website right here called dataannotation.tech. And maybe you're wondering, can you really work from the comfort of your home? Big question is it legit? Can you really find jobs on here? Can you really get paid? Let's check it all out, right? Anytime, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home, click the link right below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are a huge waste of time. So let's check out Data Annotation Tech to find out, is this a waste of time? Or do they really do what they say they do? Okay, now this is basically a AI freelance website. It's kind of like you can get a gig here and there, you can work from home, and you will basically be helping AI technology to get trained. Okay, so very nice website right here. You can see that they say they have millions paid out, $20 an hour, 100,000 members, that kind of thing, right? Let me just share with you who this is available for, and this is really important. Okay, so this is not available for everybody. It's only for people in the US, Canada, UK, Ireland, New Zealand, and Australia. So the big English-speaking countries. If you're outside these countries, you can make an account, but you're not guaranteed to get contacted when they have jobs. Okay, so it could take you a few months, it could take you a couple of years before they even contact you, because new companies always take a long time to expand to new locations and regions. All right, so I would say that if you're outside of US, Canada, UK, Ireland, New Zealand, and Australia, you can create an account, but I probably wouldn't bother, because the chances are you're not really going to get contacted. Okay, not for a long time anyway. Don't worry, stick around. If you're outside of these countries, I'm still going to share with you another way for you to make a lot of money online, so make sure you stick around till the end of this video. Okay, now once you do that, you have to take a starter test. Now this is very important. Okay, when you take this starter assessment, it's going to take you roughly about 1 hour to 1.5 hours to take the assessment. So it's not short, it is a long assessment, and some people have complained about it, unfortunately, but that's just the way it works. So they need a lot of information from you. They want to find out a lot about your background, so take the time to do that. The more information you give them, the better. All right, and you will have to give them some personal information like your phone number. So if you're not comfortable with that, then you can't sign up for Data Annotation Tech. But just understand that that's what they're going to require. Okay, and then after that, it's about just sitting back and waiting for jobs to come in, and then for you to start doing those jobs. Okay, so what kind of jobs do they actually get you to do, right? So they've got a really good FAQ section, and this is really important for you to understand. So it's all about training AI software. This is basically what it is. This is one of the many freelance AI platforms that I have reviewed, and it's pretty much the same thing. It's projects that's based around training AI to do different things. So sometimes it's survey style work, sometimes it's interacting with chatbots, sometimes it's creating tasks, sometimes it's training a particular AI, whether this image is sexual or non-sexual, or whether it's a bear or or vase, for example, right? So all sorts of fun little projects that you can take part in, right? And they do pay in different ways. Okay, so they pay basically $20 per hour for their writing projects, okay, for their AI training projects. That's specific to that. And then they pay $40 per hour for coding projects. But for coding projects, you do need experience. Okay, so for the most part, if you're watching this video, you probably don't have coding experience, but if you do, they're talking about things like JavaScript, like Python, C++, C#. You have to understand these kinds of coding projects before you can take part in them. I think $40 per hour is really high. Okay, so it's very good pay, and even $20 per hour for their AI writing projects is really, really high as well. All right, they pay out through PayPal. All right, let me just show you here. So you have to have PayPal. If you don't have PayPal, you cannot use Data Annotation Tech. But for all the companies that I mentioned earlier over here, the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, New Zealand, all these countries, I can't find it right now, that's okay. All these countries basically do have PayPal available. So if you don't have one, just create one. If you lost it, just create a new email and you can set up a brand new PayPal account. Okay, now the big question is this legit, and can you really make money from them, and how many jobs can you actually pick up? Okay, now here's the thing about a lot of these types of freelance AI training job websites is that you'll get a bit of a mixture. All right, some people say that they've had great experience, and some people say they've had very, very bad experience. Okay, so let me show you this. Right, so this is someone here that has said that they've had great experience, and I'm not going to go through all of this in detail, but basically they said that they signed up, and they had a great experience with them. They test and train all kinds of AI. They look for people that can write pretty clearly, that have good instructions as well. Okay, that's really, really important. They've got different Slack channels. They made them wait not too long, about 7 days before they could actually get access to a chat, a different job. They also have other tasks where you get paid like 2 cents, for labeling different profile pics and stuff like that. That's outside the AI writing tasks that pay $20 an hour. So they have a few different types of tasks that you can get involved with, right? And so this person had a great experience. They paid out through PayPal. They made a few $1,000s from them. Not a problem. Okay. Now I've gone also to Trustpilot, which I like to use, and you can see here 405 reviews. Okay. Usually anything under 4 stars is already pretty bad. So they've got 3.6 stars, right? And you can see that there is, most people, 59% give it 5 stars, but there's quite a lot of 1 stars as well, 31%. It's quite high, okay? Now I'm going to summarize it and basically tell you that everybody that is giving it 1 star, and these are some very recent reviews, right? All they're saying is that they're not getting any jobs at all. So they've spent 1 hour, 1.5 hours filling out the profile. They took the time to do that, and basically they never heard from them. The platform just ghosted them. They didn't get any jobs. They didn't hear from them. They weren't able to pick up any word. You see, they got accepted in stage 1 and then nothing, right? They completed a ridiculously long application process and then they heard nothing. Okay, same thing with a lot of other people, right? Took 2 weeks, finally got accepted into the program, and then little to no communication. Right, so and then other people here have said that they've had some good jobs. It's been a game changer. They've worked for 7 months and no problems. They've been getting jobs. So I think this all depends on your luck, right? I think that the way that this works with data annotation, it seems that they're a new company, and they're growing. And because so many people are applying, they're not going to have enough jobs for everybody. Okay, even though in the FAQ they say that they've got a lot of jobs for a lot of people, that's just not the case, right? It's really about luck. It's really about signing up and deciding, do you want to spend an hour to an hour and a half of your time registering for this company, giving them all your information, and then you've got like basically a 50-50 chance of whether you pick up a job or you don't pick up a job. It's kind of like applying for a real job, right? You fill out your CV, your resume, you send it in, and sometimes you don't hear back from the potential employer. It's kind of the same with data annotation tech, okay? So you're not guaranteed work here. You might get some work, and if you do, then you might get lucky, and it's going to be fairly consistent. But if you're unlucky, you will never hear from them again. Okay, unfortunately that's just the way. So as long as you have your eyes wide open and you understand that there is that potential, and also even if you do get accepted, you have to understand that jobs like this, even though they say that there is lots of jobs, in my experience I've reviewed so many different job platforms and different make money online businesses and things like that. It's all about supply and demand, okay? With these types of companies, sometimes they just don't have enough supply of jobs to provide it to all of their workers. So yes, even if you are successful and you basically, do get the job and you get some work, you may not get the amount of hours that you want, okay? Look, it says here, nope, you can work as little or as much as you want per week. Now, even if you wanted to work 80 hours per week, they may not have 80 hours per week of jobs to give you. That's the thing, right? Because it's about supply, right? And it's about demand. It's about how many people do they have signed up to this platform, and they might have way more people than they have jobs. Does that make sense, right? So you have to always understand that whenever you're signing up with a platform like this, because a lot of the time they just don't have enough supply of jobs. So if you're lucky, you might get a few hours a week. And that's pretty much all you can expect. Okay, if you're unlucky, you're not even going to get any jobs. You might not ever hear from them again, and you might not be able to make any money from them at all. So it just really depends on you. If you want to take that risk, you can sign up for dataannotation.tech if you're from any of those big 5 countries, right? Otherwise, maybe don't waste your time with this because you may not ever hear from them. Only you can make that decision, okay? But if you want to check them out, dataannotation.tech. Now, if you're here and you're living outside any of those big 5 countries, or you're like, Aaron, I want to learn how to make money online, but I don't really know how to do this. On this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of ways to make money online. All sorts of different business models, all sorts of different websites, all sorts of different gigs. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Out of all the good strategies though, there is one that I've tried, and I've tried a lot of them, okay? And that one changed my life. I used it to quit my full-time job in 2019. I 5 times my old corporate salary, and I was doing very well in corporate previously. I used to manage 15 people. I quit that job. I haven't worked since then. I worked 100% full-time from home right now. I think this strategy is great for a beginner, anyone who has never made a cent online, or somebody who wants to eventually replace their full-time income. Okay, if you want to check it out, you can just click the link all the way at the bottom, and I've got a free masterclass that will show you step by step how I did it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of data annotation tech, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.